Oga Buhari, hi America. Mr. Adeshino, hi America dey. But Africa leaders, they are the most wicked people so far who I don't ever see for this life. They are very wicked. Una dey very, very wicked. Oga Buhari, instead of you to dey run up and down, instead of you to dey run up and down, sit down for your country and fix this country. Oga Buhari, fix Nigeria. Fix Nigeria. Nigeria need fixing. As una dey run up and down, so if they say like America, na a place like Nigeria, or London, na a place like Nigeria, I no sure say una go dey run up and down. I no sure say una for dey go, but because una know say that place na heaven on earth, una make una dey run up and down. If like say insecurity dey for America the way they dey for Nigeria, even if they tell you say they wan share money for there, fear no go let una go. But the way they pay me pass be say una go there, una go see life there, una go see light, everything, security, everything dey there. Una no dey fear of anything. Una will still come back. Una no get different mindset. Una no change una heart. Una no change say make we bring wetin we see for there come give our people. Una no go try am because the money never reach una thief finish. The money never reach una thief finish, so una no go fit try and say una wan carry development come Nigeria. I dey always dey watch Adesina interview with Shehu. I dey see and say that man sometimes when he come to that man interview, I dey always dey comot. Because I dey hate when men, full grown men with their big stomach, they will see the truth, they will begin to lie. And you know say this thing na news, this thing na national TV where your children can even be watching. Which truth, which how you dey train your children? So that is why I come beg una today. If Buhari get headache, he don run go London. If Buhari get stomach ache, he don run go London. If London be like Nigeria, if London no develop their own, if London no buy equipment for hospital, if London no take care of their country well, I no sure say Oga Bubu for the run up and down. I no sure say you for the wrong they go there. And me dey shame for una if una no dey shame for una sef. Me dey shame for una because never see any man from outside you come say na Nigeria then you wan go take treatment. And you dey go another person country every day for treatment while your own doctors they are on strike because you can't even pay their salary. Let's assume say the way you not dey pay una doctors salary, say na no dey pay London doctors salary, how you go take the run dey go there every day go dey collect your treatment? By the time when you dey sick, you reach there, you miss it. They tell you say all resident doctors for London, all of them dey on strike because they no pay their salary. Who go attend to you? I don't know why these people are so heartless that they can't feel the pains of a common man. Not be everybody go fit carry flight and say he get problem, he won't go London go treat himself. Not be everybody get them. So many people, they say Nigeria is over 200 million. Not everybody in Nigeria that has international passports. And believe so that they can't people will get passports. But not be everybody have access to passport. So how did you know your citizens? If you get small problem now, una don't run go London. See our Lagos Jagaban now. It dey London for the past how many months taking treatments. And una go dey come, una go dey talk, say una even know wetin una dey talk. When you people are not even secure with your own doctors, when you people don't even have any equipment in the hospital, then you people are running up and down. Now see come out and say, what are you telling the citizens? Nigerians, this is time for you people to wake up. For you people to know, say, these people, they don't send you. If you like, you die. These people don't care about you because they have the money. Nigeria money, they don't pack and take and reach their pockets. The money where they're supposed to take do good road for now, they don't pack and put for their pocket. So they can board flights at any fucking time and go to anywhere they want to go. They can go to anywhere, they can spend any amount because they don't pack all our money, put for their pocket alone. You will become a man will be say so common man they die for just headache for Nigeria. Typhoid fever they keep people every day for Nigeria. Ordinary fever they keep people every day for Nigeria. Sometimes a deposit of 5,000, 10,000 can take a soul in Nigeria because they don't repair the system, because they don't do everything well, because it don't concern them. The top people, they can go to London anytime to treat themselves. They will go anywhere. When see Buhari, they run up and down. They say person wey fire dey house, you know they go to chase rats. See one governor wey suppose go that place where Buhari don run reach see, so now Buhari they go if they get any meeting for any place because of the comfort when they go see for there. 3 days to the day our bubu don run go sit down there. But somebody retired though, he late go, he take a day, he go the next day because why? Problem dey in country. But with all this security, with all the hunger, with everything wey dey happen for our country, bubu no dey blink eye twice before e go move. E no dey blink eye before e go move. E don move. E no concern na if una like una kill una sef. Like e no concern na. Nigerians, at the same time, so as everything still sour reach, so many people can still stick their neck for Buhari. If they hear anything concern Buhari, so many people still they talk, say, why una no get respect? Now your mate, elderly man will not behave like elderly man. You treat that elderly man like a child. But when a child of 5 years behave like adult, you go respect him because the behavior when he behave like adult. Make una wake up. So many people where they abroad today, so many won't come house. So many people won't come house. Because if the money where they spend for us and they spend it for their country, it will be a better place. But to repair the system, for the system to work, they're not go fit. They're not go fit because they never thief finish. They never loot Nigeria finish. They never finish us. I just want to talk about this one. They good every day. They see life. They see light. They see everything. May you carry around the country. Not be so una go just go enjoy, come back while the people wey dey inside the suffer, they suffer every year to year. Nigeria don't know wetin be governor. Nigeria don't know the meaning why Buhari dey for seat. Nigeria don't know the meaning why Obaseki dey as governor of Edo State. Nothing wey they know. Nothing. Because I don't use hungry finish them. By 2023 now when I don't see the contest, now so now begin to share one rubber of Gary they give them. They'll tell say their life don't finish. They're facing at their life rich. Somebody they talk that they say including the rice, the things, the gift they give to the people, all those things they are mock the cost of the this thing. Oh God. I never see for Europe one day where person they contest. They'll come say that's what they call they share rice they give people. I never see. But because they don't so much use hungry, scatter everybody brain for Nigeria, they can use cup of Gary take collect vote for your hand. You suffer for 8 years. Nigerians, it's time for you to rise up. Let us not make the mistake of putting another 8 years into wrong hand. Make una not make the mistake to carry another 8 years, put am for another wrong hand. It go too tough. It go too tough. That is why una need to close the eye for that cup of Gary. Una need to close una eye for that one wrapper they will give you. Because before 1 year go finish, that wrapper don't fade. Before you go toilet 2 times, that cup of Gary where they give you don't finish. So look beyond the Gary, look beyond the one wrapper and vote for the right person. Make una look where and vote for the right person where go fit remove Nigeria for abject poverty. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your time. Thank you for listening. Thank you for everything. If today na your first time when you come across this YouTube channel, please, what are you waiting for? subscribe, like and share. And if you dey watch this video from my Facebook, please follow my Facebook page. Make you share, like and subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. For now, bye bye.